Hey guys, Ron from Vertx. With me here is Dave, our product manager. Dave, in the past we've always had the Gamut Plus as our largest backpack.
Yep.
This year we're going away with that bag and we're replacing it with two new bags. What do we have here?
Yeah, so we're basically replacing it, like you said, two bags. One that's slightly larger, which is this one, the Gamut Overland, and then one that's slightly smaller, which is the Gamut Checkpoint. Really, the idea behind this was guys were asking for a pack that was a lot taller that they could hide larger weapon systems in, but would still blend in an outdoor recreational store, right? And I think we've pulled that off with the three colorways that we're offering this in. You know, up at top, I do have a quick pocket here for anything I don't want to have crushed down below or quick access to. The pocket is slanted, so it kind of cants in at an angle there. And then we have our new mesh up at the top, which is much more durable, and there's a keychain fob on the inside. If I go to the outside of the pack, we do have a grab handle both here and here underneath the leather. And then we have a padded mesh shoulder straps with a yoke at the top to help disperse the weight. The sternum straps are adjustable as well. We've gone to a new roll-up to this, so that way the excess doesn't hang out, so that just velcros and secures there. We do have side release buckles if you need to get out of the pack quickly. You can quickly detach that. And we've gone to a new molded back face. This is much more abrasion resistant than what it used to be, but we've also maintained that luggage pass-through handle that can go all the way through this. Again, all of our packs and bags have partners that make ballistic panels, and you can take now both hard and soft plates. But this allows me to now put my arm through here in that Captain America type shield feature to give me some A-zone protection if I need to come behind this weapon system or with a weapon system, or if I just need to parry and make space between me and an adversary, right? It gives me a little more protection there. On the back side, we also now have on this one a nice padded waist belt. If I don't want to run the waist belt, I can actually tuck this away behind and get it out of the way. Plus, we could attach a couple pouches or MOLLE something on there, or even do a holster on that if we need to, right? We still have our rapid access pull tab, which looks like a luggage handle, quickly opens up. One of the cool things we've added this year on this zipper compartment is a lockable zipper, and that's completely new across the line this year for the weapons compartments of these bags. If I open this up all the way, you notice that we have a nice light colored interior. We do a light colored interior across our entire line to make it easier to find what you're looking for, especially in a dark environment. You don't want to search around the dark in a dark bag, right? New for us is also US made Velcro. We've done that because it now increases the shear strength of anything we attach to this. We have a series of Tatsugami pouches that can fit into these, and that really helps hold it in place so it doesn't drop or break free while you're running with the pack or using it in difficult or hard situations. And then we've also improved the access point for the place to insert the ballistic panel, and these will now take soft and hard plates as well.
That's great.
If I go to the outside of the bag, we've got a couple extra hidden features to this that I think are some significant improvements. First, we have a place for a water bottle on both the left and the right side here, and we have end-user replaceable bungees if I want to put a water bottle inside of this, and if something happened in the field, I can actually now reroute this myself. Behind each of these panels is another zipper compartment that opens up. I can shove a water bottle inside of here if I want to. This pocket goes all the way to the bottom, but it also runs all the way to the top. The cool thing about this is it actually integrates with our hydration port right here. And if I want to run comms wires through here by running a radio inside this compartment, I have that option. You also have the mesh pocket bag inside of this as well. We have our new hot pull tab, which is right here, hidden behind the bag, right? The nice thing about this is if I need to have a rapid access to the main compartment, I can quickly tear that open to get into it. And inside of this is now where I would be able to put in my SBR or PDW, anything I want to run inside of this compartment. The zipper pulls on both sides will help stop that from opening up the rest of the way. And because this is a true outdoor pack, we can actually use these as load lifters or compression straps on the sides.
Right.
If I want to get these out of the way, this will actually just tether back on itself using the G-hooks and locks and secures out of the way. Okay? If I undo the snaps, I can now open up the pack the rest of the way to access the interior. One of the things I've really liked about these bags is the way they open up all the way for basically loading this out. It makes it super simple to see what you have inside. That rapid access pull tab, if you don't want it sticking out, will actually Velcro to the inside and gets out of the way. Then we have our admin slots up here at the top, places for pins, chem lights, flashlights, anything you want to have here to organize. Another mesh pocket bag, and again, that mesh pocketing, much higher abrasion resistance, but you can still see through it so you can see what your contents are. More loop Velcro. And brand new to our line this year is our padded laptop sleeve. Now everyone's usually got a padded laptop sleeve in their backpack. Our customers are using theirs a little differently than most. A lot of them are using them as a rifle scabbard, frankly, when they put their rifle inside of here. Sometimes those weapon systems are taller. We've made ours adjustable, so there's actually 3 different heights. So I can fold this down and increase the height or take it all the way to the bottom. The nice thing is now the muzzle sets on this versus on the bottom of the pack, which also helps prevent printing of that rifle. Okay? Some of our customers have said, you know what, I love that I can put my laptop in here, I love that it's adjustable, where I can run my hydration bladder in here, but sometimes I just want to run it slick on the inside. If that's the case, this whole thing just tears out, and I can now run it completely slick, or again, Velcro in whatever pouches I want from our Tactigami line. Going to the outside of the pack, there is another place here where I can shove in whatever I need to for quick access. Maybe it's a windbreaker, or a jacket, or some muddy shoes. If I need more room than that, this will unzip on both sides. And I can again take these load lifters to the outside to help hold in whatever I need to, or maybe put a helmet in there, right? If we do have to run from a covert or low-vis situation to an overt situation, I can just take this and tear this open. Now run this up on the inside of the packet.
That's been a really popular feature with our bags.
Gives the option for the end user to now go completely overt with it. Not only do I have the ability to Velcro something on here, but I can weave something through the MOLLE and web platform that's here.